By Bimitala will say, you come to India, you know, fried from midwife team, only work, only stop, to support them you through law, recovery blue. You want them money currency, midwife by helping you, change your money blue. You want them karam good that medicine law pharmacy, midwife by helping you can good medicine. You want them color more or direction, you know, save, midwife team, by helping you. By stable India by me very, very successful. Di pamitalam small lo work plol kita wali make mo work plol tok ta. Pamitok small lo max hospital. My name is Ross Yo, and I am from Vanuatu. Okay, me got one medical condition where I'm rare in my country. And I'd like to take this opportunity to thank my doctor, Minando Paul, where Hemisawe worked with me 2 years. And after law doctor's review on the 10th of October, Hemi really telling me, say, Mrs. Yo, I think you need to go overseas for further treatment. So, me look at him and say, how will I do that? I will say, I can help you do it. So, time it stop talk. She came out and then got my email address, and then me contact them Dr. Gupta here with Suzette, the director of midwifery, and then with the patient. So I sent them every treatment blow me come, every medical report, every medical report come with them X-ray, come lo Dr. Gupta. Yes. After Dr. Gupta, Emi karon one swimming session with them mitufala, blow call physical feature blow me. Then Emi confirm them say yes, you can come to India for treatment. As soon as Emi Talamol Sempe Susat, which is the director of midwifery, I send them 2 quotation over to me. And Dr. Italan say, you can make your payment. Your medical bills, you pay them and then pay for your airfares. And this is what we actually do. We like them airfares and we like them ticket. And they send us the visa and the ticket. So, Mimi want to tell them no say, you Mr. Haram midwifery, or man only come give him report and they say, midwifery, I mean, to help more people like karama treatment overseas in India. But me for one, pa me talent say, midwifery team can be reliable. You should trust them. Only work professional. You know, time Holy Haram say you got one medical condition, they can get you here in no time. Only suppose you are willing and you are prepared to come. They will display their professionalism by you just amazed. Know how only helping people. So as soon as mitulai 3 days na mo, mitulai prepared then no Friday blehem, mitulai get to Nandi to Singapore to New Delhi. Time mitulai come outside, I got one lo midwifery team when I play Tipak. Hemi comes to now with the flowers. After Hemi welcoming me to Fala. It makes me to feel say, no, got people, all good people out there will concern lo you mean. Make me to feel warm. We fly cham lo track. We fly come, we carry me to come put me to lo hotel, lo Bluestone Hotel. By Bimitala will say, you come to India, you know, fried from midwifery team, only work, only stop, to support them you through law. Recovery blue. You want them money currency, midwifery by helping you, change your money blue. You want them karam good that medicine law pharmacy, midwifery by helping you can good medicine. You want them color more or direction, you know, save, midwifery team by helping you by stable India by me very, very successful. Di pamitalam small lo work plol kita wali make mo work plol tok ta. Pamitok small lo max hospital. Ol nara colleagues plumi listap talam hospital pemi pamitalam se. Max hospital best hospital. Italam from one name from ikat all doctors really expert lo each field. Save kolowan different medical di kolowan doktor we hemi save condition pling. Payu ko bali direct demi ko lo doktor pling straight one. Or semi from bone case we call doktor kupta. Ami best surgeon belong bone. Or cancer or tumor di ko special doktor belong kita. Want something to about Max Hospital? Holy overall best and excellent medical treatment from only cut on high technology facilities where let's have a help and patient really giving patient a second chance to only live. Not something we talent say based from all service floor nurses or nurses only they know what they do, they know the field. They can help you every situation you face. They come to our room, call you lot time, you drink medicine lot time, only chicken blood blue lot time, only chicken condition blue, sugar, eye blood, everything only come only servicing you lot time. Even all kata only cook, only have help you kind lot time, the hospital, and the cleaners. Every 5 minutes they clean your room from only service. Patient must live in one good environment. Aircon on, only put a funny movie, you start watching. Max Hospital is just best. We tell them people out there, all Pacific countries, Vanuatu, Kiribati, Solomon Island, Tuvalu, Tonga. It's best. You may have say India treatment medivisa. By me rank them all say 10 out of 10 services from the more display and professionalism blood. Always have a helping woman giving patients second chance alive. Okay, this time we want to thank him chance to tell him thank you. We want to tell him thank you, Lord. Team Plomi device. We want to tell him thank you, Lord. Susat director Plomi device. Where you have a connected with Lord patients. Though we live long way, but we can get to India in no time. We have a Karamku treatment. And thank you, Tipak, for helping us. Karamivlal Airport to the hotel. Thank you, Mika, and thank you, Priyanka. Thank you, our boss here, and all team below social media. Where Elizabeth Karamivla through the world, where you look say this is the evidence where me like Karam treatment. Thank you, Sandy, for always in time, block up the road, take me to my doctor's appointment. Me want to tell him thank you to Dr. Blomi, Dr. Blowbone, special one, and me Dr. Gupta, where me appreciate them intelligent blue, me appreciate them expertise blue, we have a display no theater, no miss have a current one good treatment, more recovery. Dr. Gupta, we tell them thank you to you. We want to tell them thank you to all nurses, no India, no Max Hospital, where you can be there for us. Wherever we are down, we are not strong, but you give our medication on time. You help us through our recovery. Thank you to the cleaners and thank you to the kitchen workers who always provide our food in time to help the journey of the recovery to be a successful one. We want to make one recommendation to my people out there in Vanuatu. We want to recommend them also. Any patient where you stop sick, you stop la house blue, lo one island, lo one corner blue, you must come pass through lo hospital of Villa Central Hospital. You may trust them all Dr. Blue lo Villa. Palgata li karam good medical report play you. Oli save good after Bali work with the mol doctor lo India. Tama listen the mol medical report ikam lo India with the mol X-ray or folder blue lo Villa to India. By make him easy, lo doctor lo India blow I carry on lo we blessed with doctor lo Vanuatu ileko I carry forward. They suppose you start come out lo house bed blue or lo office blue or kitchen, you come all the way to India. But doctor must want to sick blue for quite a while. Before, but you just give him right diagnosis blue. Me one recommendation when we want them make care. And another one, any time you stop full up me cut stigma, time you me haram say, oh India, oh fraud, oh scam. Me talk experience from Mikolo one bank. Mikolo ko bank ko sap 8 time. Lo only really tell them say, bank account is straight. It's true, I'm flashing the money. Me no blame all banks blame me. Me appreciate them work with lab lo stop take care of account blow members. Take care of money. Me want to tell them say, bye. You mean next time you me trust them media advisor? Time only tell them pay your medical bill no time. You me pay, you me all bank, you me work with them all patient. Lo sa karamol kata li kam lo India fast lo karama medical treatment. And lastly, but not the least, we appeal to you to all medical people out there with them all patient. Time you start thinking lo kara one patient come lo India, please fully prepared. Prepare them good fund in finance wise. Prepare them good fund. Lo sabe karam extra fund. No karam straight medical bill, karam medical bill. After karam extra fund from Usawe, you stop come lo foreign land. More you know want you me stranded. After you know want them look say, oh you me hopeless, lopeless, yeah, you know got family close up. But just be prepared. Prepared really well. After Carlo India from by you know save facing many more challenge for you got on team will stop lo supporting you me through. What's here? We want to tell once again, thank you. People out there, lo Vanuatu, director blow me devices that come down, lo Vanuatu. Please see me work together with them directors so sad. Let me set them up agent, blame you me. Blow only have a help you me partnership, lo karam every sick man will cut until medical condition. Well, have a karam second chance life. No bless you India. Otherwise, India is just best. Thank you so much. Thank you all for watching.
This year, 2023, and 2 years back, it was a very challenging year for my sister and her family, as well as our immediate family when my sister felt to have this illness. She was being treated for bacterial infections and also ended up getting TB treatment for her right hip. Otherwise, she was doing well with the TB treatment for over a year, but she couldn't walk. My sister is the only breadwinner for her family, and it's been a devastating tool. This year will be the 3rd year for her and her family, seeing that she can't able to go back to work in order to earn and make ends meet for her family. This is a challenging year for all of us. We weren't expected to be sent to India 5, 10, 20 years ago. Who would have imagined to be in another country like India getting medical treatment? But we would like to take this time and thank the Lord for providing the ways through Medivisa and as well as the doctor back in Villa Central Hospital. They have been giving us advice on how to get the treatment overseas, and we've been following updates with this gentleman named Jack, where we found out that there is a medical program done in India called Medivisa, and from there we've met Dr. Paul and then Dr. Paul arranged for the treatment, and my sister was able to be here in India. So this journey, particularly for me, it's been a enjoyable one. Just to say, I was working and then now I'm having this time out to help my sister, to be with her during the journey of her recovery. The treatment she got and as well as the recovery phases. It's been 3 weeks now out from the hospital and she's recovering very well. We would like to take this time also to thank our Medivisa team, the director of Medivisa, Mr. Susan Kumar, Ranviv, and Vikas, Deepak, Mega, and also Priyanka and Sandeep. Thank you so much for being with us throughout the journey where we find it difficult, especially with communication skills and just by simple things as ordering food, getting the medications, or getting a cab to the hospital. Thank you so much for all of that. And our sincere thank you to all the doctors who would like to appreciate Dr. Paul Minato and your team back in Villa Base. Thank you so much for enabling us to write a medical report and also getting my sister across to India. Our other sincere thank you to Dr. Sanjay Gupta with your professional team of getting my sister through the treatment. And now she's doing very well, and we would really like to thank you from the bottom of our heart. We know the treatment costs, but the knowledge that the God has given you is it's something that we would like to thank you for. And also we would like to thank the staff, the ancillary staff for this particular hotel, Blue Stone, and our driver and the rest of the communities here who are looking after us. There's nothing much that I would like to tell about India. India is a beautiful country with beautiful people. They are very friendly. Or if you are coming here for treatment, don't hesitate to negotiate with Susan and other global flight centers who are here. They will help you get through.